Make sure the device is positioned correctly with the power button facing forward. Detach the clasp by pressing the button. Place the wearable air purifier over your head on your shoulders and fasten the straps. Adjust the straps to a comfortable length. To turn on the device, press the power button for 2 seconds until the blue lights appear. Please note, these blue LED lights that you see indicate that the device is on. These are not the UVC lights that are hidden and fully sealed inside the device. To change the fan speed, press the power button and choose from 3 different options. The orange lights show which fan speed you're using. The lowest fan speed purifies around 25 litres of air per minute, while the maximum speed purifies 55 litres. This is around 4 times more than an average resting human breathes. Respiray's air purifier comes with 2 attachable face shields that can be used for extra protection in crowded places or when moving around. Attach the face shield using the inbuilt magnets and make sure the face shield is approximately 3 to 5 centimeters from your face. Both face shields offer the same level of protection. Remove the face shield before taking off the device. To turn off the device, simply hold the power button for 2 seconds. To take off the device, press the clasp button to release the straps and then remove. With an 8-hour battery life, you can breathe freely and stay protected all day long. Breathe and smile freely again. Respiray.